Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson! And since today is St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to be making St. Patrick's Day sugar cookies. For this recipe we need sour cream, sprinkles, powdered sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, unsalted butter, cream of tartar, vanilla extract, baking powder, cornstarch, and baking soda. In a mixing bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened butter and 3 cups of sugar. Crack in 1 egg and add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add a 1/3 cup of sour cream. Alright, the dry ingredients. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, 1 1/2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 3/4 cups of AP flour. Mix, then add a pinch of salt. Mix again, cover the dough in plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for an hour, or you can put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Alright, now scoop out your dough balls and then put them on a baking sheet and then flatten them a little bit. Then put them in the freezer for 30 minutes so they can firm while baking. And in a 350-degree oven, bake these for about 12 minutes. Alright, time for the frosting. Get a bowl, get 1/2 cup of mashed avocado, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Gradually add a cup of powdered sugar at a time until you find the right consistency. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then put them on the cookies. And once you're done with that, sprinkle some sprinkles on top. Alright, the St. Patty's Day cookies are done. I'm gonna try it and I won't cap. These are pretty good. I can slightly taste the avocado, but it's barely noticeable. That buttery taste. I'll tell you this right now, but these are actually a lot better than the Valentine's Day cookies. Cause I really feel like if I use butter for like the cookie dough, it'll be good. But for the frosting on top, it's a great idea. Especially if you just want to stay away from like dairy or something like that. Like just for the frosting, it's good to use avocado. But yeah, that green color really represents that St. Patty's Day. The aftertaste, you can really taste the avocado. But yep, yeah, you know, it's kind of crazy that like it's already St. Patrick's Day. This month has been going by so fast, it's already spring break for me. Yeah, pretty much been living every day like it's my last and just cruising and cooking. That's how I do. But these are actually a lot better than the ones you get in Walmart. Because if you know, you know. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!